Click on the link below to get price. The MOVCAN V30 series electric bike stands out in the crowded electric bike market, particularly for its robust design and impressive performance features. With its 20-inch fat tires and dual battery options, this bike caters to both urban commuters and off-road enthusiasts alike. The following review delves into various aspects of the V30 series, providing a comprehensive overview of what this electric bike has to offer. Design and build quality. The MOVCAN V30 showcases a rugged yet stylish design that exudes durability. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight and resistant to rust and corrosion. The 20-inch fat tires are a standout feature, offering excellent traction and stability across various terrains. Whether you're riding on sandy paths, snowy trails, or city streets, these tires deliver a smooth and controlled ride. The bike's overall aesthetic is modern and appealing, with a sleek finish that comes in multiple colors. The integrated battery compartments blend seamlessly into the frame, giving the bike a clean and streamlined look. Notably, the bike is equipped with front and rear fenders, which help keep mud and water at bay, enhancing its suitability for all-weather riding. Performance and functionality. One of the most impressive aspects of the MOVCAN V30 is its performance. The bike is powered by a robust 750W brushless motor, which provides ample power for both city commuting and off-road adventures. With a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, you can effortlessly navigate through urban traffic or speed along scenic trails. The dual battery system is a game-changer. The V30 can accommodate 2 batteries simultaneously, significantly extending its range. When using a single battery, riders can expect a range of 30 to 50 miles per charge, depending on terrain, rider weight, and assist levels. With both batteries, the range can stretch even further, making it suitable for longer journeys without the constant worry of running out of power. Switching between pedal assist and full electric mode is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly LCD display. This display shows important information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing riders to monitor their performance easily. The bike also features 5 different assist levels, enabling you to customize your ride according to your preferences and physical exertion. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is paramount when choosing an electric bike, and the MOVCAN V30 does not disappoint. The bike comes with an adjustable saddle and ergonomic handlebars that allow for a comfortable riding position, even on longer journeys. The suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, enhancing ride quality on bumpy surfaces and off-road trails. The fat tires also contribute to the comfort factor, as they provide excellent cushioning and grip. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders who encounter a variety of terrains, from rocky paths to smooth pavements. The overall ride experience is smooth, and the bike feels stable and secure, instilling confidence in the rider. Safety features. Safety is a critical consideration for electric bike enthusiasts, and the MOVCAN V30 series incorporates several features to enhance rider safety. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The responsive braking system is essential, especially when navigating busy streets or steep descents. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated LED lights for improved visibility during nighttime rides. Reflective strips on the tires further increase visibility, ensuring that you stay safe on the road. The bike also includes a horn, which can be a useful feature in traffic-heavy areas. Value for money. Considering the performance features, build quality, and overall design, the MOVCAN V30 series electric bike offers excellent value for money. It is competitively priced compared to other electric bikes in its category, making it an appealing option for buyers looking for quality and reliability without breaking the bank. Conclusion. In summary, the MOVCAN V30 series electric bike is an impressive choice for adults seeking a versatile, durable, and high-performance electric bike. Its combination of a powerful motor, dual battery capability,